This is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. And today, what a volatile day. And look at the sequence. Bank Nifty gap down 700 point. And then in the first 1 hour, shot up 800 point. And in fact, Bank Nifty crossed the swing high. 1 or 2 weeks before, once we went very close to 18,000, and that time Bank Nifty 39,700 something, and today it went up to 39,800 something. So the swing high was taken out. Then came the selling, and Bank Nifty continuously fell nearly 700 points. So 700 point gap down, 800 point shoot up, again 700 point come down. Again in the last 1 hour, shot up 400 point. It's such a volatile market. So just tell you a story. Whenever I go to Singapore, I used to go to a theme park called Universal Studios in Sentosa Island. And there is a roller coaster ride called Galactica. And I think 5-6 times, it goes upside down. And once my friend asked me, sir, at this age you are going for Galactica. And I said, at this age I'm trading in Bank Nifty, which is more dangerous than going into the Galactica. So many times upside down, but the Bank Nifty was very, very volatile, but Nifty was not that volatile. Why? Number one, TCS and Infosys, they both were down and out continuously. On Monday, when there was a big gap down, I bought Infosys. Yesterday it went up. I was so happy. Today again come back. So back to square. Why? I always tell you, normally when the Nasdaq is down in US, and the IT stocks will be down here because the Nasdaq is a exchange with a lot of IT stocks, technology stocks. So here TCS and Infosys continuously down. That's one thing. Then Reliance. And actually today morning I just forgot to tell you there was a increase in the petrol, diesel and aviation turbine fuel export duty for Reliance. And also overnight the crude crashed so much. I think on Tuesday when we were bullish, the crude was trading around $105. Today when we started trade, the crude oil was about $95. So that is nearly a 10% crash. So, Reliance is a company, they are producer of oil. So lower crude oil is actually not good for Reliance. So because of this, Reliance was down and out. TCS, Infosys, Reliance. And the three of the top 7 stocks, they were down and out throughout the day. The remaining 4, HDFC Bank, I think they both also came under severe selling pressure in the morning, but again were very volatile. Then ICICI Bank also. And then Kotak Bank was the only stock that was in green in the morning, but then again that also came under selling pressure. So when all the 7 top stocks concentrated selling happens, so the Nifty is definitely will be down only. But Bank Nifty was too volatile. So in fact, the 10% crash in crude oil, it has actually helped auto stocks. Morning, with such a gloom and doom, the market shot up in the first 1 hour and the auto index came into green. And I don't know what happened to these PSU banks. And in this kind of a market, and State Bank of India can go and cross 540. And it was so high. So auto stocks did very, very well. And because of the crude prices. And also metal stocks have underperformed. And you always, I'll just give you one simple thing. You always look at the Australian markets in the morning. If Australian markets are so much down, if it is underperforming the Asian markets, then usually the metal stocks will be down. So I don't want to tell you the reason. So you go and find out the reason yourself. Broader market has actually outperformed. In fact, today mid cap and small cap indices ended in green. The damage was restricted, as I told you, to the top 7 stocks. So FIIs have made a U-turn. So FIIs have sold for 2,300 crores today. And Tuesday they have bought for 4,000 plus crore. Today they have sold for 2,300 crore. And the domestic institutions have bought for 950 crore. So, and today, once again, I'm telling you, probably today is the second or third highest gap down. So, first highest gap down was on Russia-Ukraine war broke out on 24th. The second highest gap down was on Monday, and today is the third highest gap down. But both Monday and today, the huge gap down is bought into. So, net institutional flow is about like 2,300 crore sell and 950 crore buy. So it's about 1,400, 1,500 crore only. So that's not a big deal for this kind of commotion in the market. Why the market gap down 400 point? Why it shot up so much? Why in the afternoon it came down to break the day's low? And again, why it has recovered 100 to 150 point? So nobody has the answer. And probably it's all because of expiry related issues. I think I heard that today is the highest turnover of futures and options in India. So I always just say for fun, stock market is the only legal gambling allowed in the country. So the people all come here, and options volume in India is growing leaps and bounds. I can tell you. Sometimes like I sold some 17,500 put options for 25 rupees. I think on Tuesday, it went up to 72. Then again came back to zero. So sometimes the options 10 rupee option go to 200, 300, 400. So this is a legal gambling, I would say. So anyway, stock exchanges, the government, brokers all must be happy because they must be getting good money. Whether the traders are making money or not, I do not know. So there is no need to look at the open interest because the weekly expiry is over, right? So in the beginning of this month, I said, markets are likely to trade with a lot of violence and between 16,500 on the downside and 18,000 on the upside, the month of September. US markets are still very, very bearish only, but who knows? Today being in the fifth day, at some point of time, some recovery may come in US. The market cannot keep on falling every day. So somewhere it will recover. So let us see. Once again, I would say Monday was a bull and Monday was the bear, Tuesday was the bull, and Wednesday holiday. Today is a kangaroo market going up, down, up, down, up, down. And tomorrow, so we will have to wait for the US markets to close today. So that's it for now. Maybe I can just tell you two stocks for trading on tomorrow. One is Ashok Leyland, which has added huge open interest. And also, even in the turbulent market, the auto stocks are doing well. I'm talking about the long side. The second stock is Bajaj Finserv. Usually, Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv move together. Today, Bajaj Finance was down and Bajaj Finserv was higher. And again, huge open interest added. If tomorrow market is positive, so you can look at Ashok Leyland and Bajaj Finserv. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.